In this video, I'll show you how to create a typewriter text effect in Camtasia. First, add your text to the timeline. Next, apply a behavior to the text. Make sure to disable the out and during effects. Now, head over to the In Effect settings. Change the type to text, first to last. Set the movement to smooth. For the speed, adjust it to 100% and set the offset to 0.25. These are my personal favorite settings, but feel free to tweak them to suit your project. For an extra professional touch, you can also add a keyboard typing sound effect to enhance the experience. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.